Hey guys, welcome to our video. Today we'll be looking at the signs of bagworms and how to identify them early. We'll also learn how to fight these insects and win. Let's begin. Introduction to bagworms. Bagworms are destructive pests that show up during summer or towards the end of spring. They feast on anything green, including tree branches and leaves. Some trees are most likely to be infested with bagworms. These include sycamores, oaks, cedars, arborvitae, pines, and junipers. Symptoms of bagworms and their effects. Have you been working tirelessly to keep your lawn in pristine condition? Maybe you spent lots of money getting that perfect landscape to complement your home. If yes, bagworms are your #1 enemy. Firstly, you need to know the appearance of a bagworm so you can identify it. While it's nearly impossible to see a freshly hatched bagworm, you may spot a 2-inch foliage-protected bag attached to the plant. If you notice your evergreen plants starting to lose their color, it's a sign of bagworms. In addition to assuming a pale color, affected trees become weak. The plants slowly deteriorate throughout the summer. A bagworm infestation causes the leaves and needles to drop from the affected trees and shrubs. Although it might seem like the plants are dehydrated, a closer look will expose numerous bags clinging onto them. If left unchecked, the larvae continue to leave the bags and feed on the trees until they reach maturity. How to control and eliminate the pest. To control the spread of bagworms, you must strike when they are most vulnerable. Chemical control. The eggs hatch at the start of summer, but they don't form the protective bags immediately. This happens to be the right time to use insecticides on them. There is a wide variety of products that will help you control them and protect your plants for several months after application. Proper timing. Remember that chemical control won't be as effective in late summer. That's because, by that time, the mature caterpillars have reduced their feeding significantly. As mentioned earlier, late spring or early summer are ideal times to fight bagworms. How to prevent them. Destroy the eggs before they hatch. Remember, the bags are home to countless eggs, which become a significant problem upon hatching. The solution is simple. Get rid of the bags and the eggs. Also, ensure you use the right insecticides to destroy the eggs without ruining the integrity of your plants. Bag control. Destroying the habitat of pests destabilizes and weakens them. For total elimination of bagworms, ensure that you destroy all the bags from your plants. This will prevent them from nesting and hatching again come summertime. Thanks for watching.